Okay, real talk. You're showing up on Instagram, you've got a pretty website, maybe even a freebie or two. But then your inbox is quiet, no new inquiries, no DMs, maybe a like from your mum. It's frustrating and we get it. But that's exactly why we're breaking down why you're not getting those inquiries and what to do to fix it. Yeah, these are the mistakes we see wedding pros make every single day, and they're easy to fix once you know what you're looking for. Yeah, let's start right at the beginning. That first impression, that's your bio, your homepage, and your inquiry form. And here's the harsh truth. If a couple lands on your page and still isn't sure what you do, where you're based, or who you're for, they will bounce. Yeah, your Instagram bio can't just say lover of love and light chaser. It needs to say relaxed wedding photographer based in Yorkshire, 2025 bookings now open. And this is the same for your website. Above the fold, can I instantly answer what you do, where you're based, and who you are for? Do a 5-second test or ask someone you know in your business to visit your Instagram and homepage. Can they clearly answer the questions that I just asked? Yeah. Let's talk about the second one. Your content's cute, but is it clickable? Yeah, posting pretty pictures is lovely, but are you actually giving people a reason to inquire? If your content is just galleries and congratulations to this gorgeous couple captions, you're entertaining, but you're not converting. Great content builds trust and guides people to take action. That could be telling people what dates you have left, asking them to DM you a keyword, or inviting them to grab an amazing freebie that you've made. You're allowed to sell. In fact, if you don't, people won't realize you've got space for them or how to even book you. So fix it. Add a clear call to action to 3 of your posts this week. It could be as simple as 2025 dates are now open. Message me your wedding month and I'll send all the info over. Love that. Okay, let's go on to mistake number 3. Yeah, this one is about your inquiry process. Now, let's say somebody does want to inquire. Is your inquiry process smooth or does it feel like hard work? Goodness me, we see this all the time. No link in the bio, no name in the bio, a form that takes 10 minutes to fill in, or even worse, a dead end contact page with email me if interested. Yeah, you've got seconds here to make it easy. People are on their phones. They're probably planning on the go. Maybe they're commuting. Make that link in bio work for you. It can be something like putting a page on your website with some direct call to actions. Yep, and your form, you need to keep it short, warm, and human. The goal is to start a conversation, not give them some homework to do. Nobody likes homework. No, they don't. And here's how you can fix it. Go and test your inquiry journey today. Firstly, is the link easy to find? Then, is the form even mobile friendly? You'll be surprised how many people missed that one. And is your autoresponder warm and welcoming? Okay, number 4. So you finally got the inquiry, amazing. And then what? Cricket. Or maybe you send one email and you never hear back. So you assume that they ghosted you and you move on. That's probably not the case. You need a follow-up system, one that feels helpful and not desperate. Think, I'd love to hold your date. Are you still deciding? Here's a real wedding that might inspire you. And here's how you can fix that problem. Create a 2 to 3 follow-up sequence that you can just copy and paste, make it friendly, not pushy. Just keep that door open. Mistake number 5, you're not building trust before they inquire. And this is a big one. Most wedding pros expect the inquiry before the connection. But that's backwards. It absolutely is. You need to build the trust before someone ever reaches out to you. That means showing your face, sharing real stories, and helping people get to know your vibe. It's I've been following you for ages, or I've been secretly stalking you and finally got engaged. And that is gold. So commit to showing up once a week in stories or reels with your voice, your face, or a tip. Build that warm familiarity so that inquiry feels natural. Okay, we have covered quite a lot in this video, so let's have a little recap of the 5 things to check if your inbox is too quiet. Firstly, is your first impression clear? Secondly, does your content actually guide people to inquire? Thirdly, is your inquiry process smooth and easy? And then 4th was, do you have a good, friendly follow-up plan? And finally, are you building trust before they even inquire with you? Right. Just commit to fixing one of these things this week, and you'll already feel more in control of your leads and your bookings. If this has given you clarity or maybe a bit of a kick up the bum, do please hit that subscribe button. We are here every single week with those no fluff strategies that actually help wedding pros grow. And don't forget, we've got a lovely little free guide for you called 20 Ways to Get More Wedding Clients. And it's packed with the things that you can implement straight away. That link, you'll find it in the notes below. Right, go and do just one of those things this week to get those inquiries flowing. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.